Bartlett Cocke is a Texas-based general contractor. We primarily build projects in the K through 12, higher education, industrial, and private development markets across Texas.
Since 2018, we've seen a huge evolution in terms of not just the industry's use of drones, but also our office.
As a general contractor, we use the drone in several ways out here in construction. It's really been able to help us track progress on the site.
As a general contractor, we're responsible for executing the overall project. That includes working with the owner, the design teams, and coordination of our trade partners, maintaining schedule, quality, and safety on the project. The project we're at today is in New Braunfels, Texas. It's at Long Creek High School. The scope of the work that we're performing here, we're doing a 3-story classroom wing addition to the existing building. We're also installing new athletic facilities, so baseball, softball fields, concession stands, things like that. Also doing a new parking lot in addition to a stormwater detention system throughout the campus.
From 2018 up until today, we've seen an increased use of drones on our job sites. With the ability to have more accurate scans and accurate data and being able to make better informed decisions from that data, we can see a much larger way of utilizing drones in our projects.
We started flying drones on projects mainly for marketing purposes or for progress documentation. That's grown to having a drone and licensed pilot on every single project across Bartlett Cocke. We're also beginning to combine drones with survey data or RTK to produce high accuracy maps. That allows us to solve more advanced use cases like cut fill analysis, layout verification. As our drone program has expanded though, we have now 30 pilots, 30 drones. That requires constant training, constant maintenance of licenses. We're more interested in the drone data, not so much flying the drones themselves, and so that's where we're very interested in understanding the capabilities behind the DJI drone dock.
We are able to fly the drone more often to get more accurate results. It's a lot less time consuming to be able to fly the drone comparative to the hours it would take me to be able to do it prior to. And I think overall the idea of being able to fly it a lot more often and get more accurate results is a game changer.
So with the DJI DOCK solution, what we're able to do is focus our time more on analyzing the data and less on capturing the data.
Traditionally, our flights out here on our job site, we're using a Mavic 2 Pro. With that, I'm having to go out there and hook my phone up to the remote controller and manually fly our flights. With the Flight Hub 2, we're able to create mapping plans, different routes, and different applications that you're able to utilize through the DJI DOCK 2 platform.
We've seen the need of more and more accuracy in verifying what our contour lines and elevations are on projects, the amount of stockpiles, the amount of excess stockpiles we might have on a site, or do we need to bring in more? With the use of ground control points, RTK, and the advancement of drone technology, we're able to more accurately give precise information on a lot of these things. We can go to October 3rd. This is where we started using the DJI DOCK 2. We started having more frequent flights, twice a week on Mondays and Thursdays. I can't say enough how great of a convenience it was. There's the practice field, starting to do some earthwork there. Baseball fields looking more and more like the civil drawings. All of this information we can share with everyone on the design team, every stakeholder on the project, the owners, our internal teams, the design team. And on October 3rd, this is where we're at, and we can compare to what the final building is going to look like.
Our customers look for the best hardware on the market, and we recommend DJI hardware, especially when paired up with a solution like Drone Deploy, where we're taking the images and the data collected from the hardware and processing with Drone Deploy. In turn, they get high quality maps and models. We're looking forward to the future of what's to come with the partnership between Drone Deploy and DJI.
With the DJI DOCK 2, we've been able to, on this project, launch missions periodically on a daily basis, bi-weekly basis, and as needed when certain milestones occur on this project. We certainly see on future projects that a device such as the DJI DOCK 2 would be an immense help. On very large projects where there's a lot of earthwork happening, where there's a lot of tracking involved over time, being able to have that convenience of launching whenever we want and doing an accurate scan with ground control points and processing that data, sharing that information with everyone, all the stakeholders in the project is just beneficial for everybody, and it'll save time, save money, and keep us in budget.